Guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you in this video totally about the latest post that I already shared on my channel. You are seeing cycle IoTex. So if you are interested about this airdrop, maybe you are watching this video because you got it from searching in YouTube, so therefore you got it, you are definitely interested about it. So what you do is just go to the link and open it up. Okay, after you will see this page and connect your wallet. So MetaMask is recommended all the time because most uses wallet ever. So the thing is, and here important is connect your MetaMask efficiently. Never be freak out about it. Okay, without it your join is not being properly. So first check it out that your MetaMask is efficiently connected. If you don't connect your MetaMask, it will never be you will not be able to join in this airdrop. So first you need to have MetaMask. If you don't have, just go to your you need to. So if you don't understand that what is extension browser is, extension browser are Mises, Yandex, Kiwi browser, and in the PC you can use in Chrome. Okay, so they support extension. Okay, in the mobile, Kiwi, Mises, and Yandex support mobile version of Chrome extension. So therefore I suggest you use one of those that I share. Okay, Kiwi, Mises, whatever you want. So sign signature, click on that, and each of this time if you like sign or connect wallet, if you tap on MetaMask will get each of those time. So here is thing, sign signature, if it is take slightly uh, 2-3 times, take them. Okay, give them time. Okay, so click on this sign button again, and here is the interface is slightly changed. So my total point here is 0. You are seeing everything would be, everybody is like this. So here is, if I do little bit scroll, and here is enter the team code. So let's say I'm going to enter the team code. Let's see if I put on my you know so if I do click on here, from my team. Okay, anyhow, so connect Twitter. Yeah, therefore you will get this amount of point and follow on them. Therefore you will get this amount of, oh sorry, this amount of uh, this amount of point, and join Telegram. Therefore you will get this amount of, and there's a lot of task inside of here. Do mint. Okay, after completing use of those tasks in evolve, there is here that onboarding task, and after doing those tasks complete and do this task complete, mint Genesis box and testnet. So anyway you can do it, just I'm showing you the process, and do meet it, and getting further update about this exact airdrop, just stay with us in the Telegram channel. If you don't found yet our Telegram channel, or if you don't yet join, just check out this video's description box, easily will get it and come into here. Definitely will be beneficial because getting update about airdrop, it's mean you are interested about making money. So anyhow, and the below has slightly same task, Twitter task. Just do each of those tasks, read it out loud, and here is last one maybe. So this on, do those tasks efficiently. So easy, straightforward. I just showed you. So if I do show you the deep dive into those, there will be so much uh, time, so video would be so much long. So I don't want to make video 30-40 minutes long because it will be boring. Okay, I just showed you how it connect. Okay, so first to do follow, please complete the required first task. Okay, do verify slightly. Okay, success. Now I climbed. If you this easily, it has been climbed. Now go to the follow. Okay, just I'm showing you one to task. Okay, that is good. Okay, so here is, I'm doing this verify. Each of the task could be, or uh, okay, climbed immediately. So do this way. Okay, I'm so smart, and my point has been added into here. So do this task and you will be you will be uh, you will be eligible in this airdrop, I'm hoping. So see you later in the next time. Until that,